Back to Savvy Serena. If you want to learn how to make turkey, wild rice, and mushroom casserole in the crock pot, stay tuned. For the wild rice, the turkey, wild rice, mushroom casserole, I am cooking 2 pounds of ground turkey. And I just added a little bit of this Nature's seasoning blend. I love the way it tastes in meat. So I am frying this up in my cast iron frying pan. And this pot, I've got the rice-a-roni. And I'm just going by the package direction. So it said I used the whole package. So I'm just going by its instructions. It said 1 3/4 cups of water, a tablespoon of butter, and the seasoning packet, and stir it and bring that to a boil. So I'm waiting for that to come to a boil. I just diced my onion, and I'm getting ready to do my next part. So hold on. Back frying pan, I'm going to spray a little bit of oil in here. And I'm going to add my onions, my chopped onions, and my green peppers. And a little tip I have with this is you can chop your green peppers and onions and then put them in the freezer. So that's where I'm getting these from. It calls for green peppers completely, but I only have oh, that looks really colorful. And I'm going to add my mushrooms. You want to add 2 cans of drained diced tomatoes. You want to add garlic or garlic powder. I didn't have any garlic, so I'm adding garlic powder. Oregano. And paprika. And you want to set this aside into a separate bowl. To the, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, and you want to whisk this together. And now I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And then you want to add 1 1/2 cups of milk. Stirring the whole time. Now you want to add 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese or pepper jack until you have a smooth, velvety cheese sauce. Crock pot, you want to add your mushroom tomato mixture. you want to add your wild rice that you cooked by the package directions. Then once I let it set for 5 minutes and I stirred it, you want to combine those two. Now we're going to add our 2 pounds of ground turkey. And stir that. And now you're going to add your cheese flake, the melted cheese. For 4 to 6 hours, or on high for 2 to 3 hours. Nifty trick, I don't know if I've told y'all this before. If you have, like I have a half onion left from the recipe that I just did, chop up the whole onion and put it in a little baggie like this one and freeze it, and the next time you need an onion or a half onion or whatever, you can put it in your recipe straight from the freezer. Okay, so it's been 4 hours. I've been letting this cook and it looks really, really, really good. A couple of things I will mention. I'm noticing it's a little greasy because I tasted it off of the spoon. It cooled it and tasted it a little bit. I would probably add another box of the Uncle Ben's wild rice to it. So that's the only thing I would probably do, is add another box. But other than that, I think this is going to be a really good supper. Like I said, other than the greasy, I think what I did is I don't think I let my ground turkey drain enough, to be honest. So I think this is going to be a good supper. I can't wait for Ed to try it. I hope y'all try it too. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Y'all come back now. You hear?